shake the world. A nation is like a tree of which the original trunk is Swarajya and the branches are Swadeshi and Baikal. A very good morning to one and all present here. I am Priyanshi Gupta with my co-host Bhavya Anand on behalf of Chairman Sir, Principal Ma'am, School Management and teachers. Welcome you all to this auspicious occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi was regarded among the freedom fighters for being peaceful, non-violent and anti-colonial patriot. He was the key behind driving the colonial empire to its knees. He didn't quit for the sake of country despite massacres and being arrested many times.
In Hindu society, he chose the path of non-violence and battled against the caste inequalities. His quotes encourage even today.
So to honor such a noble personality, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. This year marks his 152nd anniversary of birth.
The ultimate measure of a man is not where he stands at the moment of comfort, but where he stands at the moment of challenges and controversies. With this goal, I would like to invite our Honorable Principal Dr. Vandana Tandon to bless all of us with enlightening words.
A very good afternoon to everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to be here with you on such an auspicious occasion. As you know that on this 2nd October, we are celebrating the 152th birth anniversary of our beloved Bapuji, father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji, and also another towering figure, the second Prime Minister of India, Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. Today, we are hosting a program to celebrate their birth anniversaries. As you are already aware, Mahatma Gandhi ji's life is an open book from which many life lessons can be learned. His approach of passive resistance in solving problems and his self-discipline are really commendable and a sure shot to success. Initially, Gandhiji started teaching everyone of the concept of truth and firmness or satyagraha. He believed that passive resistance was the only way to fight against violence, discrimination, and injustice, and through passive resistance only, freedom can be achieved. After many attempts, which included numerous fast and non-violent protests against British rule, India was finally granted independence by the Britishers in 1947. Another distinguished man and a very virtuous leader born on 2nd October was Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. He played a constructive role in the governance of the country. He held several portfolios in the Union Cabinet. He dedicated 30 years of his life serving the nation. During this course, he came to be known as a man of great integrity and competence. Soft-spoken, humble, tolerant, with great inner strength and resoluteness, he was a man of the people who understood their language. He was also a man of vision who led the country towards progress. To cope with the problem of shortage of food, he helped in introducing the Green Revolution. This great scholar and statesman coined the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. My dear students, we have a lot to learn from the life of Gandhi ji and Shastri ji. Their principles teach a lot about leading life with honesty. I hope that you will try to make the nation great as envisaged by them and aspire to be a responsible citizen of India. Thank you.
I can't thank you enough, ma'am, for all you have done as a principal. Your vision, your wisdom, and your passion is apparent every time you do an incredible job of listening to any concerns of staff and students and keep us excited about our school. Your impact has really made a difference. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Now to begin with a special program, let's start with a soothing and melodious song. This depicts the life of Gandhiji. I think this is the best way to start our program. So, let's start.
Oh,
Yes, it's so majestic.
Hey, who are you? Wait. If I'm not wrong, you are playing the role of Gandhiji in today's program now?
No, I am Gandhi, the real Babu.
Look, she is not Vallabhbhai and I'm not the circuit that we can see or real Gandhi.
Yes, I am real Gandhi and I am the
Wait, then tell me, why are you here with us?
जिस जगह देश और समाज के प्रति अच्छा कार्य हो वहाँ मैं कैसे ना आऊं? और आप जिस तरह से मेरे जीवन की शिक्षाएं देकर सबको प्रेरित कर रहे हैं और वहाँ मैं कैसे ना आता?
Okay, if you are the real Gandhiji, that is our beloved Babu, then tell us about yourself.
अब मैं क्या बताऊं तुम्हारे? आप देख लो, प्रियांशी, जिस नाम से
Sure, Babu. In our program, today we have a skit in which students have depicted the life of Gandhiji. So let's see that skit and know more about Gandhiji.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshali Kumar. Today we are here to celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi ji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhi is also known as Bapu and father of nation. His birthday celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. अब स्वाति आपको गांधी जी के बारे में एक गीत सुनाएगी। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते वो संग से जालिम का पत्थर सुन के उनका नाम रे हो कथा उनका छोटा पर शपथ उनकी चाले दुबले से वो पतले से चलती सीना तान के वंदे पे दम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम। वाह स्वाति वाह, अति उत्तम। Now we are going to show you about Dandi March. Dandi March is also known as Namak Satyagraha. Raghupati Rama Raja Pati Pawan Sitaram. नमस्कार, मैं हूँ मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी। मुझे लोग प्यार से बापू बुलाते हैं। मैं अहिंसा में विश्वास करता हूँ। कभी बुरा मत बोलो, कभी बुरा मत सुनो, कभी बुरा मत देखो। मैं सत्य और शांति का मार्ग अपनाया है। नमक पर हमारा अधिकार है, हम उसको कभी नहीं चुकाएंगे। जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय। अब हम आपको दिखाने जा रहे हैं गांधी जी के 3 बंडल जो हमें संदेश देते हैं। बुरा मत बोलो, बुरा मत सुनो, बुरा मत देखो, बुरा मत बोलो, बुरा मत सुनो,
बुरा मत देखो।
स्वच्छ भारत अभियान
मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी। गांधी सिर्फ एक नाम नहीं बल्कि एक सोच है। सोचो कि अगर आज के इस दौर में गांधी होते तो।
ये वापस कैसे आ गया? आप हो कौन?
गांधी जी।
क्या गांधी?
गांधी जी। रोड पे कचरा फेंकना बैड मैनर। कचरा क्यों नीचे फेंका?
वो कचरे वाला नहीं आया था ना, तो मैंने नीचे फेंक दिया।
वो कचरा वाला नहीं, सफाई वाले हैं। वो तुम्हारा कचरा साफ करता है।
सॉरी गांधी जी, आज के बाद मैं ऐसा नहीं करूँ।
गांधी जी की छाप सिर्फ नोटों पर ही नहीं, सोच में भी होनी चाहिए। खादी जिसकी है पहचान, घर में उसकी शान है। सर का इंसान जिसकी जान है, हिंदुस्तान उसका ईमान है। गांधी जिसका नाम है। Now, one of my friend is going to inscribe a poem. गांधी जी, महात्मा गांधी, बापूजी, बापूजी, father of nation. गांधी जी, महात्मा गांधी, बापूजी, बापूजी, father of nation. He fought for our freedom. He was a great leader. He fought for our freedom. He was a great leader. He was a wonderful teacher. He was a role model. He was a wonderful teacher. He was a role model. Gandhi ji, Mahatma Gandhi, Bapuji, Bapuji, father of nation. Gandhi ji, Mahatma Gandhi, Bapuji, Bapuji, I love Bapu. Thank you.
So tell me, what do you think?
Well, this event is so inspiring. I can't believe you are here with us.
I told you that your endeavor is good and noble. So I am here with you.
Thank you for being here with us, Bapu.
Yes, I will always be with you if you are doing a noble cause. So, Bhavya, can you just tell us the next program and one of my teachings of Universal Brotherhood?
Sure, Bapu. What Bapuji is like was a miracle. He laid emphasis on banishing untouchability and universal brotherhood. Even after all these years, his teaching and principles inspire our country, even today. So, we are presenting here a my map spreading the message of universal brotherhood because sometimes silence speaks more than words. So, let's begin.
Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done.
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
Bapu, this teaching of yours is really worth inculcating as today. We really need this universal brotherhood to flourish.
Yes, universal brotherhood can be achieved with the purity of mind and soul.
Purity of mind and soul is one of the teachings, na Bapu?
Yes, and our next act tells us the same. Now Priyanshi will tell more about it. Well, according to Gandhiji, education is one gift that visibly distinguishes man from beast. Man is neither more intellect nor the gross body or the heart and soul alone. We need a proper combination of body, mind and soul to be educated. Through the upcoming event, we are spreading the teaching of Gandhiji that the development of mind and body goes hand in hand with the awakening of the soul.
Why do we have answers of everything? Why we cannot take the school at night?
Why we get white milk but the cow in green grass?
Why does only Earth have oxygen?
Why Earth is a round shape?
Why does the 366 days in a leap year?
Why the 28 days in the February? Why fan go round and gives us air?
Wow, there are a lot of prizes and trophies.
These prizes were won by our school students in different fields like science experiment, maths quiz, Olympiad.
But how our school won this trophy?
This was won by a maths expert student in year 2008. Now he is a teacher in big school.
And what about this big one? Yes, how can we forget this one? This was won in science exhibition by competing India's best school in year 2012 by a specially abled girl, and that was a very proudful day for our school, and now she is a scientist.
Oh! This trophy is very attractive and beautiful. Is it also won in studies?
No, this is for sports.
Seriously, is our school participate in sports also?
Yes, there are several competitions won by our school in sports.
Oh nice, can we participate in sports now?
Yes, why not? Our school promotes sports. School is the best platform for beginner students.
Let's go and participate.
मांगने वाली चीज नहीं है मौका उसका जिसने छीना गिरना उठना उठ के चलना चढ़ जा अंबर जीना जीना याद रहे ये शर्त सफर की पीछे मुड़ के देख कभी ना जीत का जुनून है तो हार सोचना क्यों जब जिंदगी है एक ही दो बार सोचना क्यों मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं मुझे आसमां बनना है मैं एक पन्ना क्यों रहूं मुझे दास्तां बनना है मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं मुझे आसमां बनना है
पाने की हो आस आस, कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं, हर कोशिश में हो बार बार, करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं, तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले, आशाएं ले दिल की, उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की, अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी, नहीं कुछ भी।
ऐनक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। हो कद था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान के। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे
So at last, let us all focus on his saying, by education I mean all round drawing out of the best in the child and the man body, with body, mind and spirit. Literacy is not the end of education, nor even the beginning. It is the only one of the means whereby man and women can be educated. Thank you.
ओ बापू, ये भी तो आपने ही सिखाया था।
सिखाया तो बहुत कुछ है बेटा, आपको पता भी चला है, पर चलो चल गया तो अमल भी करना है।
नहीं करेंगे तो आप अहिंसा से सिखाएंगे, पता है हम समझ गए।
जी, अहिंसा से बहुत सब कुछ प्राप्त हो सकता है, जिस तरह से हमने नमक कानून तोड़कर अपना हक पाया था।
नमक कानून? What is that?
खुद ही देख लो। भव्या बेटा, जरा बताओ इन अज्ञानियों को।
Sure, Babu. So, up to next is a skit that depicts the glory of historical moment, that is Dandi March, an event that shows the victory of non-violence, but still getting our rights.
Heartily welcome to all our viewers. We are delighted to be a part of Gandhi Jayanti Assembly.
Gandhiji was one of the noteworthiest Indian leaders because his ideology was far away from the reach of others. He believed that non-violence is a part of strong and stated, I cannot teach you violence as I myself do not believe in it. And said, I can only teach you not to bow your head before anyone, even at the cost of your life. And such lines by him can raise patriotism in anybody. That's why he had millions of followers in India as well as abroad.
He was so calm and composed with a sharp mind, and that's why the name of Mahatma was conferred upon him by the people of India. He not only fought for his nation, but also for many unprivileged sections of the world. So, on the special occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, we are going to represent one such fight by him against the despotic British rule, known as the Dandi March, with the help of a skit. Starting in 1930, when the provinces in India increasingly came under the British rule, the British imposed a tax on Indian salt and a series of salt laws.
And this made it illegal for the people of India to buy, sell or produce salt. Due to this, people of India had no option other than buying high-priced salt. And that's why anyone goes against these laws, they were imprisoned for 6 months.
Now, presenting the skit.
नमक ले लो, नमक, नमक ले लो, नमक ले लो, नमक।
ये नमक थी ना?
Hey you! What are you doing here? Don't you know that this is against the law to sell the salt here?
सॉल्ट, नमक, नमक चाहिए, कितना दूं?
Arrest him! Yes sir!
proud बच्चे. They were patriots who were ready to do any sacrifice for their country.
Aishwarya, they were patriots, understand? Oh, sorry. We are patriots. Well, Bapu, this was about Dandi March. Are there more of such places where various movements took place? Arey, he is the father of the nation. He must not have left any corner of the country without leaving his impression.
It's not about impression. It's about the right of the wrong. And yes, there are several places of this country where movements took place. Priyanshi, please tell more further.
Ji Bapu. So next event will take you to a journey of various sides of our country where important movements were led by Gandhi ji took place. So fasten your seatbelts now.
मैं हिंसा का विरोध करता हूं क्योंकि उससे पाया हुआ समाधान बहुत कम वक्त के लिए होता है और उससे पैदा हुई नफरत हमेशा के लिए।
दुर्बल लोग कभी क्षमा नहीं कर सकते। क्षमा करना तो बलवानों का गुण है।
अपने आप को खोजने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका है अपने आप को दूसरों की सेवा में खो देना।
अपने उद्देश्य में दृढ़ विश्वास रखने वाला एक सूक्ष्म शरीर इतिहास के रुख को बदल सकता है।
मैं मरने को तैयार हूं, पर ऐसी कोई वजह नहीं जिसके लिए मैं मारने को तैयार हूं।
व्यक्ति अपने विचारों से निर्मित प्राणी है। वो जो सोचता है वही बन जाता है।
खुशी तब मिलेगी जब जो आप सोचते हो, जो आप कहते हो और जो आप करते हो वो एक है।
From Gujarat. Did you all know that Gandhi ji was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, India? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was more commonly known as Mahatma Gandhi, was a legendary leader for India's independent movement. Since child marriage was quite prevalent in that era, Gandhi's parents arranged a marriage for him at the age of 13. He was heavily influenced by the ideas of Hinduism and Jainism. Gandhi for the rights of Indian people when India was under the control of British rule, using non-violent methods through protest and fastings. Gandhi is most famous for his philosophy of non-violence that he inspired civil rights leaders such like Nelson Mandela and Martin Luther King Jr. His efforts earned him the title Mahatma, which means great soul. Now my friend Payal will take you to the tour of Bombay.
Payal from Bombay. Mahatma Gandhi decided to complete his law study and decided to move to London. He finally left India and went to London in 1888 when he was 18. He took admission in a college of Southampton. He once watched the drama of Harishchandra. He wept deeply on seeing the sacrifice accepted by the king to safeguard truth and dharma. He also read the life story of Shravan, who was a devotee of the service for his father and mother. In younger days, he was inspired by the story of Harishchandra and Shravan and decided to follow them. In younger days, when he completed his initial education, he decided to make his way to London to complete his law study. His aim was to become a barrister, which was also what his family wanted for him. He studied the law in the University College of London in 1888. Then he returned back to India. After that, he made attempts to start his own law practice. When these attempts did not bear any fruit, he decided to take job with his law firm. This is the job what brought him to the South Africa. Now my friend Yamini will take you to the tour in South Africa.
I am Yamini from South Africa. Gandhiji moved to South Africa in 1893 to represent an Indian merchant. He went to live in South Africa for 21 years. At that time, South Africa was the colony of Britain. He started his journey of becoming Gandhi who changed the world. So what were the things that made him Gandhi whom we remember now? Gandhiji got his first state of racism in South Africa. When he was kicked out of the train at Pietermaritzburg only because of his color, and that's when he decided to fight for the rights of Indians in South Africa. In 1899, Gandhiji organized the Indian Ambulance Corps for the Boer War. In 1906, Gandhiji started a Satyagraha movement in South Africa. In June 1907, he organized campaign against the compulsory registration. Gandhiji greatly inspired the anti-apartheid activist and ex-president Nelson Mandela, who also followed his path of non-violence. Gandhiji returned to India in 1915. Now my friend Pratiksha will take you back to India. Thank you.
I am Pratiksha from Ahmedabad. In January 1915, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi returned to India after the 2 decades of residence abroad. 3 days later, he was honored by the people of Bombay at a magnificent reception. On 25 May 1915, Gandhiji established Satyagraha Ashram at Kothrak, Ahmedabad. This was the first ashram in India organized by Gandhiji. His first major public appearance was at the opening of the Banaras Hindu University in February 1916. Champaran Movement 1917. Gandhi's first major achievement came in 1917 with the Champaran agitation in Bihar. The peasantry was forced to grow indigo and sell them to the planters at a fixed price. Gandhiji pursued a strategy of non-violent protest. He took the administration by surprise and won the concessions from the Kheda movement 1918. In 1918, Kheda was hit by floods and famines and the peasantry was demanding relief from taxes. Gandhiji initiated a movement and in the end, finally the administration relaxed the conditions of revenue. Ahmedabad Mill Strike 1918. The workers of the factory demanded a hike of 35% in their wages. During the peaceful strike led by Gandhi, he underwent a hunger strike. This mill strike was successful and the workers were granted the wage hike they wanted. Now, my friend Arushi will take you to the trip of Kolkata.
Arushi from Calcutta. Non-cooperation movement was a political campaign launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1920. It was launched in Calcutta. The main aim was to have Indians revoke their corporator by British government, including Britishers, to grant self-governments and fully independence. It was held in It aimed to challenge the colonial, economic and power structure, and Britishers take notice of the demands of the independence movement. In the end, it is called to the movement of untouchability. The main cause for the movement is massacre at Jallianwala Bagh and Rowlatt Act. Many people participated in this act and there was no tax campaign in this movement. Thank you. Now my friend Manisha will take you to the tour on Gujarat.
I am Manisha from Gujarat. The Salt March, also known as the Salt Satyagraha Dandi March and the Dandi Satyagraha, was an act of non-violent civil disobedience in colonial India led by Mahatma Gandhi. It has lasted from 12th March 1930 to 5th of April 1930 as a direct action campaign of tax resistance and non-violence protest against the British salt monopoly. Gandhiji started this march with 78 of his trusted volunteers. The march spanned 290 miles, 390 kilometers from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi, which was called Navsari at that time. Growing number of Indians joined them along the way. Both men and women were a part of these protests. When Gandhiji broke the British Raj salt law at 8:30 a.m. on 6th of April 1930, it sparked large scale of civil disobedience against the salt laws by millions of Indians. Men and women are afraid of British police who are left confused on whether to jail Gandhi or not, as he used non-violence to protest. The movement succeeded in attracting world's attention and this began progress towards Indian independence. Now my friend Neetu will take you to the tour to Bombay.
I am Neetu and I am from Bombay. The Quit India movement was a civil disobedience movement launched in Bombay in August 1942 in response to Gandhiji's call for immediate independence. The call for determined but passive resistance appeared in his call to do or die. Some of the prominent leaders of this movement were Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. On 9 August, eminent Congress leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad were arrested. The assembly of public meetings were prohibited. Gandhiji requested for non-violence movement, one against in jail. Usha Mehta set up a radio transmitter called the Voice of Freedom to disseminate information in Quit India. Now my friend Yuvika will take you on a trip to Bengal.
I am Yuvika from Bengal. Many scholars have written of the month after independence of being Gandhiji, my finest art. After working for peace in Bengal, Gandhi was shifted from Delhi, where he hoped and Ratan district of Punjab. T.J. Tendulkar writes, Gandhiji was equally concerned with the sufferings of minority community in Pakistan. He would have liked to succeed when he could not guarantee full greatness to the Muslims of the Delhi. At his daily prayer meetings on the evenings of 30th January, Gandhiji was shot dead by a young man, the assassin who surrendered, named Nathuram Godse. Pune named the extremist of Hindu newspaper who had then denounced Gandhiji a peer of an Muslim. Thank you.
Oh my God, Bapu! Such courage with that to non-violence. Really incredible.
Well, this can be a surprise for a short-tempered person like you.
I'm not a short-tempered person. In fact, I'm learning from Bapu. Hana Bapu?
Sure. Nobody can stop you from learning more and more. But first, we need to stop polluting our environment. Swachh Bharat is my dream, and I want you all to strive hard to make it true. Priyanshi, do you have any such event laying emphasis on this?
Yes, we do have such an event in form of Nukkad Natak, where our kids are depicting the importance of cleanliness, which is next to God.
बीमारियों से और अपने पर्यावरण को दूषित होने से बचा सकते हैं। और दीदी, हमारे देश में तो कई लोग स्वच्छता का पालन करते ही नहीं। हाँ चुटकी, तो आइए दोस्तों, आज हम आपको अपने देश की सच्चाई से रूबरू करवाते हैं। यार, ये चिप्स कितने टेस्टी है ना।
आज तो बहुत गर्मी है।
ये है हमारे देश की सच्चाई। तो हमें वचन लेना चाहिए कि हमें हमेशा कूड़ा कूड़ेदान में डालना है। मुझे मत सिखाओ, यहाँ कचरा डालूं तो फिर कहाँ डालूं? यह देखो, यह सूखा कूड़ा है, यह गीला कूड़ा है। सूखे कूड़े को नीले में डाल दो, गीले कूड़े को हरे में डाल दो। तुम अपना काम करो, मुझे मत सिखाओ। हे भगवान, कुछ नहीं हो सकता इन लोगों का। जल्दी से अपना काम कर लेती हूँ। अरे, कोई देख तो नहीं रहा। ये कूड़ा मैं सरोज के घर के आगे फेंकूंगी। कल बड़ा वो शुरुआत हुई। नई दिल्ली राजपथ में स्वच्छ भारत अभियान का शुभारंभ करते हुए श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने कहा, महात्मा गांधी जी के 15वीं जयंती पर भारत उन्हें स्वच्छ भारत के रूप में सर्वश्रेष्ठ श्रद्धांजलि दे। सरकार ने महात्मा गांधी जी को इससे जोड़ा है क्योंकि वह स्वच्छता के बहुत बड़े समर्थक थे, क्योंकि वह हमेशा स्वच्छता से जुड़े रहे। हमारे देश के लिए जितनी स्वतंत्रता जरूरी थी उतनी ही स्वच्छता। हमारे देश के नदी, तालाब, घर बार इन सब का स्वच्छ होना बहुत जरूरी है। आओ हम सब मिलकर गंदगी को दूर करें, स्वच्छ भारत बने, क्योंकि सफाई ही सफलता का मंत्र है। हर नागरिक का हो ये सपना, स्वच्छ हो संपूर्ण भारत अपना। गंदगी से बड़े बीमारी, स्वच्छता की करें तैयारी। चलो सफाई की आदत डालें, गंदगी को कूड़ेदान में ही डालें। देश तभी साफ होगा जब स्वच्छता पर सबका हाथ होगा। मन में रखो एक ही सपना, स्वच्छ बनाना है भारत अपना। इस 2 अक्टूबर हमने है ठाना, भारत को स्वच्छ है बनाना। गांधी जी का यही संदेश, स्वच्छ बने अपना भारत देश। भारत विश्व गुरु बनेगा जब भारत स्वच्छता की ओर बढ़ेगा। जब देश का कोना कोना स्वच्छ रहेगा तब देश का हर बच्चा स्वस्थ रहेगा। हर भारतवासी का यह अभिमान, स्वच्छ भारत हमारा स्वाभिमान।
नदियों और गलियों को स्वच्छ बनाएंगे, स्वच्छ भारत
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने, देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने। स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने, देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने। Hey Bhavya, do you know that today is the birth anniversary of another great leader of our country? It's our very own Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji. He was the second Prime Minister of India and one of the members of Gandhi Ji's non-cooperation movement. His contribution to our country is commendable. Yes, I know. And in next event, we have a tribute to Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri. So let's check it out.
Discipline and united action are the real source of strength for the nation. This beautiful quote is given by Lal Bahadur Shastri. So on this special occasion of his birthday, I and Nitika Singh with my classmate Rajesh Sharma of class 9th A are here to spread special information about him.
Lal Bahadur Shastri was the second Prime Minister of India. He was a great man as well as a great leader and was awarded by Bharat Ratna. Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on 2nd October 1904 at Mughal Sarai in Uttar Pradesh. His father's name was Shada Prasad and he was a school teacher. His mother's name was Ram Dulari Devi. He had 2 sisters. His father died when he was only 1 year old. After his father's death, his mother took him and his 2 sisters to his father's house and settled down there. Since childhood, Lal Bahadur Shastri was very honest and laborious. Lal Bahadur Shastri was graduated with a first-class degree from the Kashi Vidyapeeth in 1926, and then he was given the title Shastri Scholar. Lal Bahadur Shastri acquired virtues like boldness, love of adventure, patience, self-courtesy, and selflessness in his childhood. In order to participate actively in the freedom movement, Lal Bahadur Shastri compromised even with his studies. Lal Bahadur Shastri got married to Lalita Devi, and both Lal Bahadur Shastri and his wife blessed with 6 children. The name of their children was Kusum, Hari Krishna, Suman, Anil, Sunil and Ashok.
He was drawn towards national struggle from freedom when he was young. He was very impressed by the Gandhiji's speech which was delivered on the foundation ceremony of Banaras Hindu University. After that, he jumped into freedom movement. Because of this, he had to go jail several times. Lal Bahadur Shastri believed that self-sustenance and self-reliance are the pillars to build a strong nation. He wished to remember by his work rather than the well-rehearsed speeches that proclaims lofty promises. He always against the caste system and therefore after graduation he changed his surname to Shastri.
His motivating thoughts. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. The slogan was given by him and this showed his keen interest in the welfare of farmers of India. While there was a scarcity of food grains, he used the slogan to cheer the farmers of India to produce more and more grains and to achieve a higher productivity level so that they could reduce their dependence on imports. At the same time, he also asked the people of India to skip their meal of a single time for a day. Behind this, his motive was that if so many people will skip their meal for a single time, a lot of food grain will be saved. And also, this will result in the good health of the people. So, he first implemented this in his family. He asked his family members and his children to skip the meal for one time, while he ensured that his family could live without a meal of a single time. He next day requested the people of India to skip their meal for a single day. Following his request, many people of India skipped their meal for a single time a day, which resulted in what Lal Bahadur Shastri wanted. That is, higher productivity, saved food grains and reduced dependence on imports.
He passed away on January 11, 1966 with a massive heart attack in Russia, where he signed an agreement between India and Pakistan the post-war 1965. He is not among us now, but his thoughts and memories will be there in our heart forever. I would like to end our lives here by quoting his famous quote, "The preservation of nation is not the task of a soldier alone. The whole nation has to be strong."
Nice presentation. So Nikita, don't forget behind the ears. Cleanliness counts everywhere. I never, dear. I'm inculcating all the teachings of Bapu. Do you remember tolerance? Ji, madam. I do remember. And I'm also inculcating all the teachings of Gandhiji. Sachi Bapu?
I do believe you are the future of India and I have full faith.
Thank you, Bapu, for believing in us. Ashwarya, in our next presentation, we have some more teaching of Mahatma Gandhi for you to inculcate, rather for all of us to inculcate. So just watch carefully.
Good morning, students. Have a seat. Thank you, ma'am. As Gandhi Jayanti is on its way, I am having a surprise for you all, and that is a quiz on Gandhi Jayanti. Are you all ready? Yes, ma'am. What are you doing?
Ma'am, nothing. Nothing, ma'am. My pen just fell in.
Stand up, both of you. Were you both cheating?
No, ma'am.
Were you both cheating? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know in whose test you were cheating? You were cheating in such a legend's test who didn't cheat in exam even though his own teacher was helping. And by playing these type of tricks in his test, you are only letting him down and nothing else. Explaining a dumb child is far better than teaching you all.
अगर तुमने सही चीटिंग कराई होती ना तो टीचर की लेक्चर नहीं सुना होता। एक तो मैंने तेरी हेल्प नहीं होगी तो तू मुझे सुना रहा है क्योंकि तेरी हेल्प ने मुझ पर प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर दिया है। तू जा यहाँ से, मुझे वैसे भी तेरे जैसे लोगों से कोई बात करने का शौक नहीं है। अगर ऐसा है ना तो स्कूल के बाहर मिल जाइयो। तू रुक अभी।
Mrs. Shana, what happened? Ma'am, students of this class are just irritated. This test was conducted to teach the students some life lessons, but I don't Gandhiji's life, which will help the students to learn something new and motivating. Mahatma Gandhi was very shy. As soon as the school bell rang, he always hurried to home. Other boys stopped on the way, some to play, some to eat, and some to just chat. And one day, the inspector of school, Miss Giles, came to Mohan's school and said,
A very good day to you all students. Today I am here to check your progress. I am to take a few words and you have to write them down correctly. Is it clear?
She read out 5 English words to the class and asked the boys to write them correctly. Mohan wrote 4 words correctly but could not spell the 5th word kettle. As Mohan went home that evening, he was not unhappy. He knew that he had done the right thing. But the thing made him sad was that the teacher asked him to cheat. This tells how fearless Mahatma Gandhi was. Let me tell you one more incident from Gandhiji's life when one of his friends inspired or encouraged him to smoke. They enjoyed the experience and saw nothing wrong in it. Once more, his conscience prickled him and he thought,
स्मोकिंग एंड स्टीलिंग इज़ बैड। मुझे ये बातें बाबूजी को ज़रूर बतानी चाहिए। एक लेटर में लिख कर उन्हें दे देता हूँ। हाँ, यही सही रहेगा।
बाबूजी।
हाँ बेटा।
बाबूजी, मैंने हरीश के कहने पर सिगरेट पी और आपके बटुए से पैसे भी चुराए। मुझे इन गलतियों के लिए माफ़ कर दीजिए।
बेटा, तुमने मेरा सर आज गर्व से ऊंचा कर दिया है। आज जो तुमने किया है वो शायद ही कोई बच्चा करता हो। आज तुमने अपनी गलती मानकर मुझे एक गर्वित पिता बना दिया है। अगर आज तुम अपनी गलती ना मानते तो शायद मैं अपनी ज़िंदगी की सबसे बड़ी परीक्षा में फेल हो जाता, जो कि था एक अच्छी परवरिश देना। तुमने आज ये कार्य करके मेरा सर गर्व से ऊंचा कर दिया।
This incident tells us how much respect Gandhiji used to pay to his parents. There are a number of stories about Gandhiji that will inspire you a lot. But from these 2 stories, I hope you all have learned 2 important lessons. First, to be fearless, and second, respect your elders. Students, let's start the quiz.
मोहित, भाइयों नहीं मेरा याद नहीं पिछले साल क्या हुआ था। मैं इस बार नहीं दिखाऊंगा।
मोहित सही कह रहा है, हमें चीटिंग नहीं करनी चाहिए। अगर मैं ऐसा करूँगा तो मैं अपने टीचर्स को डिसरिस्पेक्ट कर रहा हूँ। हाँ, मैं आपसे चीटिंग नहीं करूँगा और अपने एल्डर्स की बातों का ध्यान रखूँगा।
Now that you came across all my teachings, I hope you will follow these and make a better society and uplift humanity.
बिल्कुल बापू, ये तो कहने वाली बात है। आपने जो कह दिया बस हो गया। ये जीवन तो अब बस आपको ही समर्पित है। Are you sure, dear? हाँ, बिल्कुल। तो चलो फिर सेलिब्रेट करते हैं आपके इस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन को with our next presentation. Now, बापू, I hope you will also enjoy it. मतलब like it.
अनन्या, you have not submitted your notes. आप अपने notes कब submit करोगे?
Actually, sir, मैं आज अपनी notebook लाना भूल गई. I will definitely bring it tomorrow.
Okay, no problem.
What should I do now? I have made a huge mistake. अब मैं अपने notes एक दिन में कैसे complete करूँगी? एक काम करती हूँ, भैया से पूछती हूँ, क्या पता उनके पास कोई solution हो। भैया,
क्या हुआ? Any problem?
भैया, actually I have made a huge mistake. मैंने अपने सर से झूठ बोला कि मेरे नोट्स कंप्लीट हैं, बट मैंने अभी तक एक वर्ड भी नहीं लिखा है। अब मैं क्या करूं?
तुम्हें अपने टीचर से झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए था। But don't worry, we'll find a solution. एक काम करो, तुम अपने टीचर को सब कुछ सच सच बता दो, वो तुम्हारी हेल्प जरूर करेंगे।
अब मैं अपने सर को सब कुछ सच सच बता ही देती हूँ।
हेलो।
गुड इवनिंग सर।
गुड इवनिंग बेटा।
सर, आई वांटेड टू टेल यू समथिंग।
यस बेटा बोलो।
सो एक्चुअली मैंने अपने नोट्स कंप्लीट नहीं करे हैं।
व्हाट? मतलब आपने मेरे से झूठ बोला?
आई एम रियली सॉरी सर।
बेटा एग्जाम्स पास आ रहे हैं, इसलिए स्टडी। नोट्स आप मेरे को बाद में भी सेंड कर सकते हो।
Thank you sir, I'm really obliged to you. Thank you very much.
You spoke the truth. That's why I helped you. क्योंकि सत्य का रास्ता जो श्री राम ने दिखाया, उस पे कैसे चला जाए ये हमें महात्मा गांधी जी ने सिखाया। बट जस्ट रिमेंबर वन थिंग बेटा, गांधी जी ने कहा था, एक झूठ बोलोगे तो तुम्हें 100 झूठ बोलने पड़ सकते हैं, पर अगर तुम एक सच बोलोगे तो तुम्हें वो 100 झूठ नहीं बोलने पड़ेंगे। इसलिए आज से कभी भी किसी को भी झूठ मत बोलना बेटा।
Yes sir, from now onwards मैं किसी के साथ भी झूठ नहीं बोलूंगी।
Wow, that was incredible. Just like you, Babu.
हाँ, वो तो है। वैसे, I must tell you that. You guessed it right in the beginning. I am the one enacting as Gandhiji in today's program. Pardon me. You believed me. Poor fellows.
Wait, celebrate. Yeah, wait, let me tell you.
Well, this will continue. But I must thank you all for being here with us, boosting our morale. I hope you like this small endeavor of ours towards making us all aware about Gandhiji, his teaching, and his role in independence struggle. I hope you appreciate us with lots of light. Thank you so much.